Women Wednesday. Umchukululi wephasi bona umuntu wonke aphile ngethabo asibaphakamise. #Empowered Women Wednesday.
Singaphakathi kwehlelo sibuya nawe Express Lane umhajo ikwekwezi FM kukhanya pango 14 minutes past 4. Siyathokoza bona ukhethe thina malanga namba manje inyanga yenthuthi le esikiyo. Njengoba kuyinyanga yenthuthi nje senza isiqiniseko sokuthi ke amahlelo wethu athindana nendlela eziningi zenthuthi. Ngomvulo yazi ukuthi ke saba ne concert ephethe umvumo okhuluma ngenthuthi ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo. Namhlanje ke sithembisile ukuthi ke soba ke nodadewethu uKatleho Malifane tade ubuya lapha ke eRodeport kuthi ukuthi ke ngokhona la iJozi ukhulele khona la iJozi uyi content creator ye-motoring begodu ne-lifestyle so ngenelela khulukhulu ke kile ye-motoring ngoba na ke inyanga yenthuthi nje ngilokho esokuchecha namhlanje sike ihlelo like uzokhona nokuthi ke ulifumane ku YouTube yomhajo ikwekwezi FM SABC Plus app so iposta ke ne-link enkundleni zokuthindana ku Facebook nje nezinye nje inkundla ezikhona ukwazi ukuthi ke ulubukele ngoba na lihlelo esiligadangisa Nqopha sivule ngengoma ethi ubomi Sun L musician ukhamba nomsaki
Lochani
Kunjani
Ngiyaphila njani
Nangiyaphila
I tried ne
Yeah.
that was good.
Well,
I feel like it was good.
100%.
Okay, I
Yeah,
know.
nakubekuthiwa nje
Ngizokhuluma
ngikurate bengizokuthi 100.
Ngiyabonga.
Siyathokoza right?
Ngiyaphila njani
Nathi siyaphila.
Eh,
Sithokoza
yahle.
ukuthi sibe nawe kukwekwezi.
Lena ke thabile hle kuyaleboha for having me.
Yazi uyakhuluma besakhuluma la ngithi mina iRodeport iJohannesburg la ngiyazi kuhle iRodeport ngiyazi kuhle. Indawo enjani?
So I feel like it's a retirement place where a lot of people retire and go and live there. You know? Yeah, so I say pleke okarengwaya as a young person ulodula mono. It's for batho ba baholo man. So that's home for me.
Oh, okay.
That's where I come from.
Oh, buya lapho.
Yeah,
So not
ngibuya
buya lapho. So wena usukile lapho nawe nje. So uhlala somewhere ofana usahlala khona.
So keep in between places. Gidula Greenstone and Rodeport. So I go Rodeport. My mom helps me with my child. I'm a mom. My mom helps me with the baby. So
Okay.
this is why I'm always there.
Ah.
Yeah.
No siyathokoza usilethela ingoma emnandi man ubomi abumanga. Bayini ukhethe ingoma le umveza ukubuzile ukuthi ngiphi ingoma esingakudlalela zona wayifaka nayo le ngoma le ubomi abumanga. Bayini ingoma le ithini kuwe?
You know, whenever ke feel nkare dintho di tsama slow on my side or things that like the weight of the world is on my shoulder.
Yeah.
Ngilalela leyo ngoma because ubomi abumanga. Ubomi abumanga.
Qinisile yazi?
So I love that song so much. It just gives me so much faith. Ingipha hope man, like you know.
No siyathokoza ukuthi ukhethe ingoma enjalo vane ngitsho mina ngithi omunye nomunye kunengoma ipilo na ibdisi menza ukuthi abuyise amandla so ingoma le nami ingoma engithanda ngoba nibuyisa amandla
Ibuyisa amandla, ne?
Siyathokoza ngifuna singene mhlambe ngaphambi kokuthi singene emsebenzini owenzako njenge content creator ngaphambi kokuthi angazi ukuthi kulavele uthome khona ngikuzowuthe uthoma usesemncane ukuthi ke wenze I content nofana ukuthanda nje indaba le yenkoloyi but yinto vele bewuyifise ebuncaneni bakho ngithi omunye nomunye umntwana une dream yokuthi mina nangikhula ngifuna ukuba ngilokhu nalokhu so when dream yakho kuhle kuhle bekuyini bengiyo le
I actually ke batla ho ba psychologist. I remember even during the what do you call career days at school, make it apara as a psychologist because that's what I wanted to be. So the content creation or like getting into motoring and doing it as, you know, full time. Kiyenze after studying because I even studied. I went to school, get graduated as a media practitioner.
Oh, okay. So media practitioner mhlambe ungatshela umuntu nje kancane ukuthi okay libizelo elinjani lelo.
So media practitioner, I basically studied media practices. Everything kenze journalism, everything that's media related and then ka major ka television production. So I think that's where content creation came from.
Yeah.
Like kaqala mo creating videos, photography, everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then bese nakuwenzi phela ustadishile we media practitioner and then we content creator ke now. Ungene njani ke khona ukuthi mhlambe khulukhulu ke imotoring ngifuna ukuthola yena ukuthi ufike njani ukuthi uqalele imotoring ngoba ngifuna ukutsho nje ngabo ngiyazi abodade ni yazithanda inkolo kodwa ingasi ukudlula thina amajita ngithi kanenge sithanda inkoloyi so wena ungene njani
So, in first year, I was doing photography. So I get a photography jalo, I niki shoot batho. Bing shoot abantu, but I was like, no, I can't shoot batho, man. So I know I love cars
Yeah.
and I love photography. So why ke sadi etsi dibe two waban. So that's how ke qadileng with like content creation. And then but actually next TV that I'm creating content. Nikili busy ki shoot at dikoloi because I love cars. So I would go to Nikili Adi breakfast running, everything, and just take pictures of cars and post. And then I started getting into videos. And then I saw man on Instagram that people are actually doing this. Like but and about creator content, you understand?
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, this is actually what I want to do, and that's how I got into it.
Okay, yezwakala sizokuthatha nje ibreak efitshani sihlale nengoma bese nasibuya kuso kurakela phambili. Mlalili ke nangabe mhlambe kukhona uthanda ukuthi ukutsho kudadewethu la uKatleho malifane kozokuzwa nje sazokukhuluma sazongenelela mhlambe na ku content yakhe sicale nje ukuthi kuhle kuhle yini akwenzako ngaphakathi. Nawunombuzo bungalinda mina ukuthi ngikutshele uchiye nje ivoice note ku 079 4132172 njeke sithatha nje ibreak efitshazana bese sokuthatha nengoma nasibuya kusirakela phambili. Sihloko sengoma sithi Modimo, Kelvin Momo, Setril ne Murumba Peach izokela emkhathweni kwekwezi FM kukhanya ba mzuzu imasumi amabili nemzuzu emhlanu ibumbene isimbi kungesine sibuya nawe Express Lane siphethe uma osezingeni uKatleho mulifane utate we Rodeport la abelethelwe khona sikidinga inyanga yenthuthi yena ke umuntu owenza icontent ngenkoloyi. So ke sifuna ukuthi sikwazi mhlawumbe ukuthi content yakhe wenzani yena ngenkoloyi ngoba na ungenza okuningi ngecontent yenkoloyi ungenza mhlawumbe isite le mechanical ungenza isite lo reviewer inkoloyi ungenza isite elinye nje elikhona ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo. Katlego so wenza icontent ngemotoring. Wenza icontent yakho icalelele nguphi wenzani sibonani ku content yakho emntwini ke special uzangayibona icontent.
So ke poster kadikoloi.
Okay.
Ukaivita sort of like a review, but not a review. But ke posta ka koloi, and I basically just show you how to live with the car, what the car, has, just all of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wenza ama video.
I do videos on my social media platforms.
Oh, okay.
Get the video and pictures.
Oh, okay. So now ukhuluma usuke ikoloyi leyo vele ukhuluma ngayo ukhona kiyo. Nofana nje ngoba ngithi omunye ngenza mhlambe enze i-editing yokuthi just ikoloyi ikhona noma enze i-video just ukhuluma ngayo. So wena ukhuluma ngekoloyi ekhona uyakiyo mhlambe ukhulume ngekoloyi leyo.
So ke tlabana le koloi for a week, or maybe let me make an example. Ha ke le launching when they have a launch a new car.
Yeah.
I go to the launch and then
Oh.
ke shoota koloi eo, and I tell you what this new car has, the features and everything that you would like about it. Also the downside, obviously, because sans ke liblele hore nka se liblele ntho tse right fela ke sa liblele ntho tse,
Yeah.
so that it's a fair judgment. So ke etsa jalo, I post cars and I post ke le mo koloing.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and sometimes ke etsa di voice over the videos.
Okay.
So if I tell you that this car in LA, panoramic sunroof and whatnot, get as I talk over the video. Yeah.
Okay. So wena benefita njani ku content le yokuthi uyo veza ikoloyi mhlambe sanda ukufika ye certain brand. So wena benefita njani kilokho?
Get benefit in terms of money or just in general? Like general.
Okay, ngayifaka na imali general mhlambe ke nemali. Because I don't think ungathatha got isikhathi sakho.
No. So as a content creator, you do get paid to post. Like
Okay.
that's kim msebenzi waka bang patella hore ke poste, because I'm putting their brand out there. I get ke posta ka koloi eo and I'm putting it out there so batho ba tsebe ka yona, my people, and a lot of batho ba ka bang followang ke batho ba dikoloi. So I'm doing that. But also, like, sometimes you'll have to do some things. Some things for free.
Oh yeah.
For free. So that you gain that exposure and but as you...
Okay.
Yeah.
So, wena ke kuwe kwenza le content le ku challenging kangangani? Khona ama challenges evanu benawo nawenza le content. Mhlambe lo oyibona oyicabanga kwena nanyana ngipho oyibona kona wenza le content le.
I get a content. I think the challenging part is because I don't have a team. The challenging part, I don't have like a team where like people will edit for me and I do everything myself. So that's the challenging part. The editing is quite somehow, but I'm working towards like finding ways to make my life easier.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, sisalile masekensi siya inhlokweni zendaba bese nasibiya kusokuhlola bona zikhamba njani mvanje eGauteng neMpumalanga bese sicale nezemidlalo ezikhamba phambili kusuka lapho ke isikhathi ke ngesami nawe nomlaleli bekubethe u5 nje siya enhlokweni zendaba le Ikwekwezi FM kukhanya ba
arvuna asesigodini sakho mntwana wethu liperegisa ayikhona usesiloya ayikhona mina ngiyakubona okuningi mntwana wethu eyi ngibethwa ivoice le elele mani yazi umbereko wakhe sawuthokozisa mani arage njalo achubeke danko
bathi une voice emnandi imsebenzi yakho bayithanda kodwa ivoice yakhe
Voice imnandi.
voice yakhe putilo ivoice yakho imbambile uthi une voice emnandi angithi yakhumula ke ngakubuza ukuthi i-radio uyayicabanga ukuyenza nanje ngoba ukuspace pheze sethu nangabe ukhona ukuthi wenze i-voice over ukhulumele inkoloyi indwanyana ezinjengaleza awusesekude kukhulu kangako
True.
nokuthi wenze i-radio so ngakho ngikubuzile ukuthi kukhe kukufikele ukuthi uyenze na
You know, kitlana kayona, because I do love voiceovers, everything, but radio, I get skeptical, hanyani. But I would do it. I'm
Yeah,
a
ne?
media practitioner after all.
yeah oh.
So I would do it, I guess.
Oh, okay. No yezwakala ke mlaleli na usanda uvulela umhajo ke nje siphethe uma usezingeni uKatleho Malifane. Uyi content creator ku motoring na ku lifestyle. Wenza i-content ngenkoloyi. Ngifuna sicala ingoma le esicede ukuyidlala nje usapta khamba ke no basetsana. Ingoma le ithi khuleka. Ingoma ekhethwe nguwe le. Ingoma emnandi, ingoma espiritual, ingoma le. Ithini kuwe ingoma le nasidlalela yona? Uzizwa njani ngaphakathi?
I feel kikutlwa kilimonate man.
Yeah, ne?
Yo kilimonate. I pray a lot. And I mean pina you know kulega. Ngiyakhuleka.
Yeah, qinisile.
You know?
And abantu singathandazi nakunzima phela ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi abantu nakunzima siyathandaza bese nakukuhle asibuyi sithandaze sithokoze lokho esinakho.
So at all times.
Yeah. No siyathokoza usilethela ingoma emnandi kangaka nengoma isikhuthaza spiritual. I-performance uzongiphendula nasibuya entolo ne?
Okay.
Sizokuthatha i-break encane kodwa nje imbuzo lo sengibuza nje ngaboma ukuthi mhlambe i-performance yama socials socials wakho ama social media platforms wakho into ekufanele ukuthi umuntu ayicale kangangani nakenza i-content wena wakho mhlambe ngoba uthe una team yabona so uyazicalela wena so uyicala kangangani i-performance nokuthi uwakhulise but ngiba sijike la siyabuya kusele imzuzu lithoba nje kuphela ngaphambi kwesimbi kungesihlanu isikhathi siyakhamba nakumnandi veleke kuba njalo Katleho isikhathi siyakhamba ingasi kancane kodwa siyakuthokozela ukuthi ke sibe nawe namhlanje bengikubuze nje ukuthi mhlambe uyikhulisa njani following yakho kuma social media platforms mhlambe ke nokuwa monitora ukuthi asebenze njani monthly indonyene ezinjengalezo.
So my following I gihurisa by being consistent, posting a lot.
Oh.
How post holo people get to know who you are. They get to follow you. More people baba interested and then they want to know who is this lady that's dealing with cars. So I post a lot consistently. Okay. That's how I grow.
So i-content yakho bobana bayilandela khula ngithi sikhona thina abantu bembaji khona ke abantu bengubo so ngubani ke oyilandela khulu i-content yakho?
But babangata ke the guys.
Oh.
The guys, yeah, mostly. So it's mostly guys. But I see ladies are also getting into it. Because Haneke Sheba Khalene, like not when I started, but just before now. But babangata were guys. But now I see a lot of women biking alibon. And like the insights, when I check my insights,
yeah.
So they're growing.
So nawenza i-content le uke uyithole mhlambe imibuzo esiza abantu ngoba uthe into le ifana pheze ne-review but uyathola ama-questions aphathelene mhlambe na-motoring into ezinjengalezo bese abantu basizeka kangangani ngokwenza i-content le motoring especially aboma uthi nje aboma sebabonakala nina nazi khulu vele ngenkoloyi thina siyazi ngenkoloyi noma singazi ngobuningi but ama-questions abasiza kangangani abantu nge-content yakho le?
So with questions, what do you mean?
Imibuzo bakubuza yona ngithi I think comment section.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, comment section ama-questions owatholako
Regarding the car that I'm reviewing.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So but to bang the questions regarding what they want to know, and I think if I'm answering your question correctly, I think it helps a lot of people know
Yeah, ngiphendula kuhle.
whatever it is babatla ngo tseba ka yona koloi eo. So I think
Oh,
I don't
okay.
know. Yeah.
So then ufuna i-content yakho ikhule ifike kuphi? Uhappy ngala ikhona or usafuna nange yafika genye i-level le wena uyifisako sifuna uyazi level yakhona ukuthi ngiphi ngokuthi ikhule i-content yakho ngiphi level okufuna ukufika kiyo?
Yeah, there's always room for improvement and growth.
Okay.
Ne? So I want to do more than what I'm doing now. I want to travel the world doing ntweke ratang dikoloi. So I think that's where I want to be, basically.
Oh, okay. And then ukuthatha isikhathi esingangani ngoba ukhulume ngendaba yokuba consistent. Uposta kangaki ngenyanga? How many times do you post?
Kagwedi. Let's say weekly. Ne? Let's start with, because I my math is not so
not mathing,
no. So I think weekly I post about 3 or 4 times a week, yes, but not consistently though. Like there, I'll be honest, some weeks are better than the others. So yes.
So now some weeks are better than others. Vani kwenzakaleni into evani kwenza ukuthi mhlambe udrope ungaposti kunamanye ngivele ngifuna ukuthola lapho ukuthi vani kwenzakaleni.
So sometimes you'll get nako eling or you get a lot of cars like what Waditola, and then there'll be like a short period where you just get cars here and there, you know. And I feel like that's why I'm not focused on one thing, because when that happens, I start to focus on the other things that I do, like lifestyle. You see. So when you're focusing on one thing, that's where I feel like it's
Okay.
just focus on a lot of things, man.
And then mhlambe ke ngibuze nje ngabomu so i-motoring industry la eSouth Africa ubonani yini into oyitholileko ngayo mhlambe ukukhula kwayo ngithi sibona kunama brand amatsha angenako la eSouth Africa. So ikhona into oyibonileko mhlambe ke ungasitshela yona nge-motoring industry now eSouth Africa.
Oh, with the motoring industry now, well, like you said just now, Chinese cars are doing amazing things. Chinese cars are doing amazing things. I mean, I feel like they want all of us to be luxurious on a budget, you know? So you can get a fully spec'd car for just under 600,000, you know? Or just over that. I mean, they want us to be luxurious on a budget, and that's good. That's good.
So,
but I don't know what it means for the German brands. I don't know what that means, because now it's tricky.
Mina ngakhona ukuphendula ngikuphendulela phezulu kokuthi sakhe sayikhuluma into le show nethu kuveza ukuthi ama big brands khulukhulu ke lawo eGermany ama sales wakhona adropile because of lama brand amatsha aceda ukungena la eMzansi. So lento okhuluma ngayo le ngiyayivumela ukuthi okay iChina ifikile eMzansi.
And like every single time there's a new brand, honali encha, something new, and they all look so beautiful. Like dintle.
Yeah, cool.
Dintle.
So ngesikhathi sakho nje ngaphandle kokwenza i-content wenzani?
I'm a mother.
Okay.
That is my job.
Yeah,
that is my job. I'm a mother. So I was in corporate before, and then I left my job to start a family, and then I became a mom. So now I'm still focusing on that. Once my son starts going to creche, then I think I'll go back to corporate, and then I'll balance my content with, working a 9 to 5.
Oh, okay. Oh, so no yathi kuyasebenzeka ke mhlambe nala ku content. Nangabe ukhonile uthi mhlambe ulisenyana ngale and then ukhulisa umntwana bese uchubeke ngoba i-content yona akayijamisi ne usaphusha ngayo.
No ngisaphusha.
So umuntu olaleleko nje mhlambe ke sikhulumele just generally njenge media practitioner, umuntu owenza i-content nje ungamkhuthaza ukuthi ayenze i-content yakhe and imali ikhona.
Yes, I would.
Okay.
Nkamu advice hore a etse, but always have something to fall back on. You always need to have something to fall back on. Even going to school, people, you need to go to school.
Okay.
Let's make school fashionable. School is very important, you know. Let's get our degrees, let's get our everything, like qualifications. Let's do that and not just focus on one thing, thinking that, oh no, because content creation has got money, I'll be sorted. A lot of things can happen along the way. So that's why you need to have something to fall back on.
Okay. No, iyazwakala. Abantu ke nabafuna ukubona imisebenzi yakho, nabafuna ukubona i-content yakho, ungasinikela nje ama-handles wakho la bazokhona ukubona khona ke i-content yakho.
Okay, so Instagram, it's favekate, Favekate. TikTok, Kate Malefani, Kate Malefani. Facebook, Kate Malefani. Kate Malefani everywhere else.
Or Kate
It's just Favekate on Instagram.
Okay. So na ku-YouTube ne?
Yes, YouTube. Kodwa ke ku YouTube, I'm still, but I'm getting there. I haven't posted videos there.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'm getting into it.
Kuba why?
Ish, and nama followers mama ya complain ayaz.
Yeah,
Bayacomplain.
nam vele ngiyabuza vele ukuthi why ngoba i-YouTube phela bengilinde ukuthi vele uzoba mningi nyana khona.
Oh, I will. I am getting into it.
Okay.
I am.
So mningi khulu
Ku Instagram,
ku
nagu TikTok.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So respond uyayithola lapho ne i-right usharp line.
Yes, the engagement is good, especially on TikTok. Yes.
Okay. No, mansiyathokoza ukuthi sibe nawe namhlanje ku-Kwekwezi FM. Ngithemba ukuthi u-enjoyile.
No, I had a good time. I had a time. No, thank ngiyabonga.
Yeah, namhlanje sikhethe wena ke njengoma osezingeni and kuze sikulethela ukuthi sikhuthaze ngokuthi i-content yakho wenza into ehle, especially njengomuntu wengubo ofundisa abantu ngenkoloyi so ngithemba ukuthi abantu kuningi abazokufunda kuwe, abantu bazokufollowa from now. Umuntu noma afuna ukuthenga ikoloyi uzomsiza ukuthi aqale mhlawumbe ukuthi ngiyiphi brand right. No navana uzikhuluma ngithi vane nakunento engasi right ngayi brand leyo vane utsho ngithi ube honest.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yes.
Nakhona kumnandi ke sithokozile ne?
Ngithokozile nami.
Akayizwa ke.
Umhajo othandwako enarheni. I-Kwekwezi FM. Kukhanya ba.